Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off auto brightness on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. There's two ways to enable or disable auto brightness, and you might only be able to do this in handheld mode. First, hold down the home button to access the quick settings, and then navigate to the automatic brightness option, and you can use the toggle switch here to enable or disable it. You could then also manually adjust the brightness slider. The other way to do this is to open the system settings, then move down to screen brightness, and the same options can be changed here: the automatic brightness toggle and the brightness slider. That's how to turn on or turn off auto brightness on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.